hungry already. I hungry already.
Amazing.
The explosion of flavor.
This one police.
Police? What police?
He said police.
Puri. This is what Dixon made.
You make wala.
Ooh.
What?
It's like milk powder like that.
Explosion!
It's like the...
Hello, welcome to Meatman Eats Deepavali Snack.
Today we'll be trying some snacks and sweets that you guys have recommended to us. The first dish is...
Hey Meatman, my name is Manoj and my favorite Deepavali snack is Pani Puris. Pani Puri is India's famous street food. It contains puffed round puris or hard bread. The shell, you break it, fill it with potatoes, dunk it in spicy waters and eat it. Now, many reasons why I should be eating it in Deepavali. Firstly, it's crunchy, tangy, sweet. Basically, it's an explosion of flavors in the mouth. So let me show you how to eat it. This is the puri. Just break it a small hole. Fill up some potatoes inside. Dunk it in the water. Fill it up with water. And
Wow, his reaction goals, yeah.
Okay, I hungry already. I hungry already.
Amazing.
Nice.
I wanna
Can we try?
I want to try the explosion of flavor. Yeah.
Crunchy. I want to try.
Take the puri. Take the pani. This is the pani or this is the puri?
I forgot.
This one police.
Police? What police?
He said police. Puri. Then yang puri.
Okay.
Yang puri.
Okay, so
Break, right?
I think I'll crush the whole thing, eh.
I also think I did that just now.
Oh,
Okay. I got it.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll just put the bits in.
Come. I'm gonna dump it.
Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Puri.
Okay. Cheers, boys and
Cheers.
girls.
Cheers.
Manoj is right.
Explosion of flavor. Jibaboom.
Ah. Then the flavor change also already.
Yeah, it's so amazing. So much texture. You got crispy, you got soft
Yeah.
potatoes.
The spicy water.
Yeah, whatever it is.
Really good.
Manoj, thank you, man.
Thank you, Manoj.
Woo!
Hey Meatman, my name is Harish and my favorite Deepavali snack is the motichur laddu. And the word motichur literally translates to crushed pearls because when the chickpea flour batter is deep fried in ghee, it forms these little pearl-like balls which are then rolled to form this decadent sweetmeat. This laddu particularly has a rich flavor that melts in your mouth. I'm going to give it a try now.
Sweet one, spicy. I don't know.
It's really good.
A lot of spice.
So yeah, please give it a try and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Happy Deepavali!
Ayy.
I'm jealous of the guy. Oh god.
He's damn good looking at.
It's damn good.
His eyebrow damn nice, eh.
Got very nice eyes.
You wow.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
We still be talking about the food. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Laddu.
Laddu.
Let's try the laddu.
Mine has a chestnut.
It smells very tangy.
Cashew. Mine has a cashew.
Yeah, it's so good. Like,
I really love the spice.
The prophecy is true.
I don't get the spicy.
Not spice, not like
Just from the cut.
Nice,
I like the texture a lot.
It's the texture, it's the sweetness. It crumbles.
It's like mashed rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
Like a
a
rice
bit,
ball.
a bit chewy also.
With them,
But it's very sweet. It's
there's
so
nuts
sweet.
also lah.
Very nice.
The next snack that we're gonna try is somewhat popular. Actually, no lah. It's like the most requested snack ever.
And we had a lot of fun making it just now.
me. I cannot see. How to see?
Marissa, wow. My one is definitely nicer than yours.
Wow, it takes a lot of practice to get it right.
Marissa, you're quite bad at it.
Eh,
Same what?
No, it's not.
That's your turn.
This is what Dixon made.
You make wala.
This is my first attempt.
This is
quite good.
my first attempt.
This
You're
represents
doing bad,
this
huh?
represents us.
Broken.
Okay.
Broken. B-R-O-K-E.
It's not broken. It's just like a bit
Sing it.
singing. like it represents us a lot. Sometimes we are happy together. Sometimes.
Okay, I'm going to eat while you
I'm
eat.
just gonna try.
How about your love lives?
Hey, homemade one is actually pretty good.
Yeah. Fresh.
I think we can go and sell already, yeah.
I think we should.
Very nice, eh?
It's very
But-
good. Like I love the spice. What
Yeah,
spice
yeah.
do we use?
What's the spice called?
Ka-
Carom
Carom.
seeds. Carom seeds.
So this next snack is actually recommended by our cameraman Lingesh. So say hi. So it's called Mawa Pada. The one
Mawa?
Mawa Pada.
Ada.
Palkoa.
Palkoa.
So which one is it?
So there are many variations actually of the name. Yeah, like the Mawa means milk, solids, but it's also called Koya in some other places.
Oh,
Yeah.
so got 3 different names? Or many
Many
different
different
names?
names.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, try.
Let's go.
It looks really good. Ooh. It's
It's soft, eh?
soft.
Ooh.
It's like
Ooh.
I can't wait.
flour, you know, like dough.
Wait, it's
Yeah.
like mashed potato.
Yeah. It's so
This is really
milky.
Really?
Yeah. It's like sweet mashed potato.
It's like,
Good, right?
wow.
How do I explain? What?
It's like milk powder like that.
Explosion!
It's like the thing I like to eat. When
The
I was
Filipino
young,
one.
yeah, the Filipino
The
one.
Filipino one.
The sweet, the powder sweet, yeah, probably made of the same thing. But
Powder
this one is softer. This is so much better, but a bit too sweet also. But it's the softer version of that sweet, I think.
It's not bad.
Wow, I like this a lot.
Not bad. It's sweet.
Very sweet also.
Very, very sweet.
So the next snack we'll be trying is called Onion Pagoda and was suggested by one of our YouTube viewers.
Which one is that? This one lah,
This
right?
one. I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning to make it.
He did not wake up at 6 a.m. this morning to make it.
What? Yeah.
Liar.
Oh my god.
So basically, because we couldn't find it pre-made, we couldn't find it like at the shops. So producer made me wake up in the morning to make it. But it's very interesting. It's a very interesting dish. So there was like onion, green chilies, and the thing you put in the murukku.
What
Which
thing?
is?
Carom seeds. Carom seeds.
Ah,
seeds.
carom seeds.
Cool. Okay, I wanna try.
Yeah,
Let's
let's
go.
try it.
Oh, is it supposed to be so big?
I don't know. Maybe I like chunkiest.
Chunky.
Chunky.
Nice. Let's go. Wow, the onions are really sweet.
Yeah.
It's so,
So-
good.
It's very interesting. Like, I didn't expect because it's only deep fried. I didn't expect it to be so sweet.
Yeah.
The sweetness really comes through for some reason.
You add sugar.
Never. I didn't add sugar.
Wow. Yeah.
I
So-
love the spice.
And usually yellow onions are sweeter. This recipe calls for red onions.
Oh,
But red onions are usually less sweet.
Oh.
I was so
So
interested.
that's why I don't know where the sweetness is coming from.
I think it is because of the spice also. Like then the spice brings out the sweetness a little bit more.
But everything comes very nicely. Like the green chili.
Yeah.
So for the last two snacks and sweets, they were actually recommended by the same viewer. So the first one out of those two that you'll be trying is the Ras Malai. Yeah, correct.
What is it made of?
It's actually made out of cottage cheese.
Ooh,
Cheese.
I love cheese.
Then the sauce?
So actually that is like cardamom and rose water syrup.
Cardamom and rose water.
Yeah. And there's also saffron and pistachios.
Ah, I can see the saffron.
Nice.
Let's try.
Bad.
It's not heavy at all.
Mm.
Try, John.
I'm alright.
Hey, I like the sauce, eh?
Really?
Mm.
It's sweet, ah.
No, but then
It's quite well balanced. Like
Yeah.
out of everything, right?
you see the
This-
other two sweet. This one milder.
Oh my gosh, the cream reminds me of kunafi. Kunafi, there's the cream around it.
Correct.
A little bit. But this one has like more spice.
Punjabi.
It's special, like
Never tried this kind of samosa before. The only samosa I know is the triangle one. This one looks like a pyramid.
it's not what you would expect from
Yeah.
a samosa.
I'm just gonna go.
Mm.
Crispy! I
What?
actually really like the
Huh?
bread. Yeah.
Huh? You like the bread?
I like the
I
bread.
don't like the bread.
The inside
But the feeling is good.
very
Oh, really?
savory, very good. Mm. Salty, ah.
Maybe that's why it's nice.
So what's the difference between a Punjabi samosa and a normal samosa?
So for this, the wrapper is actually spiced with carom, and it's potatoes and pea stuffing.
That's why you like the
It's
flour.
so good. Yeah, yeah.
Flavored.
It's nice,
Yeah, very well flavored.
Oh, I like the normal samosas, the triangle one. The thinner skins.
Yeah. I actually like the flour more than the fillings. Ah.
Nice.
Mm.
We've come to the end of this video.
And thank you all of you for all the recommendations.
Comment down below what you guys have for Deepavali.
Bye bye. Explosion of flavor. Jibaboom, jibaboom, jibaboom.
Let's go.
Jibaboom, jibaboom, jibaboom.